What's up, my beautiful crafters? Welcome to the channel. My name is Annette, and today I am going to be showing you how to make a tutu from scratch. I did a class at the EEM show in Biloxi back in April, so a lot of people have been reaching out that attended that class to ask if I can make a video that they would have continuous footage to look back on, while they get a hang of how to make their tutus. Now, I do sell blank pre-made tutus, and that is to help you save time and the process of measuring out, cutting, sewing the waistband. So you actually get it to the point that you just have to add your ribbons. All right. So in our scratch tutu, or from scratch tutu that we're making today, I'm going to take it to the point of my blank. This is my blank pre-made tutu. I'm going to leave the link in the description where you can find my blanks, but I just want to show it to you before we start. So this is a blank. So what I'm going to do with this one I'm going to make today, I'm going to take it to the point of the blank, and then you guys will see how simple it is just to add your ribbons to it. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and measure out the yardage that I need. Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and I hope you all enjoyed it and it helps you on your tutu making journey. Remember that the less time you can take producing a high quality item is the more money you would make. All right, so like always, I'll see you on the next one.